Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add email address in Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to add email address in your Picsart account, first open the Picsart app on your phone, and after opening your Picsart app guys, on this interface you'll land over here, which is the home interface of Picsart. And over here you can see there's a person or a profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the person or the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and you land over here where you can see the pen icon at the top left corner of the screen. Over here, tap on the pen icon at the top left corner of the screen, and over here you can see currently my email address box is empty. Now similarly, if yours is empty also, or if you want to change it, simply tap over there and enter your username or your email address like this. And after entering your Gmail address or your email address guys, tap on the verify button at the right side, and then a confirmation code will be sent to your email. And the moment you tap on the verify, next time on this interface you'll be required to enter that code. So retrieve your code from this email address which you have just entered after tapping verify, and enter it over here, and then your email address will be added over here. And with that being said guys, this is how to add email address in Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.